Welcome to my channel where I give information on different countries, cities, and states. Today I am talking about traveling to a third world country. I am traveling to Ghana, West Africa, which is a third world country. It's up and rising, but it's still a third world country. And I'm a true believer that when you go into a third world country, that you should bring some donations. So I am going to donate to a school. So the donations that I bought is I bought 200 already sharpened pencils. You see these? Well, I have 200. It's in a nice box. So I have 200 pencils that I'm donating. And I am also given a bunch of these alphabet books to learn how to write your alphabets. Because this is very important, especially for the young ones. And also I have some learn how to write your number books. Because every young child needs to learn the basics, the fundamentals. And I also have some markers to go along with the coloring books that I bought. And I have a bunch of pens, and I have some composition books, and some writing pads. So those are the things that I bought for the children. And when you work hard, you also have to play hard. So I also bought some paddle balls for the kids, and I bought some jump ropes, as well as some balls for the boys, you know? So that will be my contribution when I go into Ghana next week. So don't forget, when you go to a third world country, if God places it on your heart to bring something, do a little research of the country and find out what they need. And based off of that, you bring a little package. And I'm sure even if it's just for one family, every little bit helps. So may God bless you. May you be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. Okay? So enjoy your trip and have fun. And don't forget to like, hit that bell, subscribe so you can get more tips and information, and share this video. Let your friends know about it and your family. Take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.